Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is love your body. We know so much about our mind that we have to take care of the quality of our thoughts, and we have to see that our mind doesn't become the master. We must follow our heart, though you should take your mind along. We also know that we must always feel connected with everything around us, connected with the universe. Today, let us celebrate the fact that we have a complex biological machine working for us 24 into 7. In his book, Body-Mind Balancing, Osho says that body is the visible soul and the soul is the invisible body. So all you have to do is just be happy. Keep away from stress and anxiety of any kind. All you have to do is stay in this moment and feel relaxed. How can you feel relaxed? Only when you let go. You don't have to keep the burden of your life, about everything about your life on your own shoulders. Just outsource it, because that will show how much faith and belief you have on the universe. When the universe can take care of everything that it has created, why would it leave you? It will take care of you also. So just relax and see that you feel good all the time. You feel happy and joyful all the time. All you have to do is focus on all that is going on well in your life. Why is it important? Because every psychological impact, stress, anxiety, it has an impact on your physical well-being also. Your mind and body are related. So whatever happens to your mind also happens to your body. If you are feeling stressed out, somewhere the sickness will show itself in the body also. Our body has an innate mechanism for healing. So any disease starts manifesting only after about 6 months. Before that, the body whispers to you something is going wrong somewhere. But the thing is, we are too busy with our work and we do not listen to our body. So the first thing we must take care about is we must meditate every day and we must talk to our body. Talk to your body. How are you feeling? Are you comfortable? Vouch for your emotions. How are your emotions? So you will know how is your body feeling. Is it comfortable and relaxed or not? Also, when you sit to meditate, you can listen to your body. The body is whispering about how it feels anywhere. Is there a pain somewhere? It has a sort of its own language and you will just know. The definition of well-being, as Osho says, is that you must not feel the body at all. If you are feeling something in your leg or if you are feeling something here, that means somewhere something is wrong. So address that issue as fast as you can and take care that you feel well-being. When you take deep breaths, then also you will see that we start becoming more peaceful and relaxed, because again our breath and emotions are connected. You will see when you feel angry, your breath, you start breathing really fast. That means both are connected. When you are stressed, you feel lethargic, your body doesn't want to move, it doesn't want to do any work. This also shows that both are connected. So just let go of emotional upheavals. Let go, because you are more prayerful, you have more faith. Have you seen when the drunkards fall down, they never get hurt, they never suffer from any kind of fracture? Why? Because they let go. They have not offered any kind of resistance when they were falling down, because they were absolutely drunk. That is what we must practice doing. Let it go, so that everything is taken care of by the universe, and all you have to do is feel happy and relaxed and everything will be taken care of. But it all starts with your belief. Now another way to love your body is to give yourself proper nutrition, vegetarian diet, because our body is structured and it is made in such a way that we are more suitable for a vegetarian diet. Fasting is good. Sometimes in between you can just fast so that your body gets an opportunity to release all kinds of toxins, and see that you are not addicted to harmful drinks. Have lukewarm water, have green tea, anything that soothes and rejuvenates your body. That is how you show your love to body. If you love a plant, then it grows really well. That is how, if you love your body, it will show as well-being in your body. You will like it when somebody else loves you because you feel worthy. First you have to love yourself, then others will also find you lovable. So it again begins with how you perceive your body, how you feel about your body. It is beautiful to stay connected with your body. Just become a witness. Not as one with your body. All you have to do is become a witness. You are a witness as you travel inside your body. So you are separate from the pain that your body is suffering, because you are not the pain. And so it will go out faster. I know a lady who was suffering from migraine. All she did was meditate. She had her medicines, and then gradually she started feeling more well-being because of meditation and breathing exercises. And there was a time when she did not have a single medicine, not a single medicine for her ailment. The ailment was absolutely gone because with meditation, and she had started doing more of what she loved doing. That came easy to her, which she loved doing. And meditation, breathing exercises, and giving time for things you love to do, going for a walk and giving time for your hobbies, they have a huge impact on your health and well-being. And she was absolutely cured. So that is how you can use the power of your thoughts, you can use the power of your self-affirmations to cure your body. Our body is so magical that it has all the 5 elements that are found in the nature. So it is more than 70% water. So when you have water, all you have to do is affirm positive things about yourself, and this message will go to every single unit, that is every cell in your body. Every cell has an intelligence of its own. The message you have sent is, I am well, I am healthy, I am doing well. And this is how your body starts behaving, because whatever is perceived from outside is only through you. You have given the message that you are fine, you are healthy, you are well. You repeat this. These become your self-affirmations. These also become a part of your subconscious mind, and your body starts behaving in the same way. This person is well, this person is fine. So you have seen that when you speak good words, beautiful, aligned crystals are formed in water. And our body is more than 70% water. So imagine what kind of beautiful crystals will be formed in every cell because of the water present in them, and they will aid in your well-being. We are conditioned into working too hard. All you have to do is do things that come easy to you, do things that you love to do. So they will help you in your psychological and physical well-being. We go for treatment of the disease. We have to take care of what is causing the disease. So you have to see what are the thoughts that may be causing the disease, what are the psychological implications around the emotions that cause, because every thought also produces a corresponding emotion. Now if you are used to gossiping, or you feel jealous when you see something nice, all these release toxins in your body, and now these toxins, they deteriorate your well-being. They are not good for your health. But in this moment you have also the power to use the same thoughts for your well-being. Use your thoughts for well-being. Start appreciating the beauty around you. And all it takes is to be aware, mindful of the beautiful little blessings around you. Just go out for a walk. Just play any sport. Go for jogging. Sing. Swim. If you like to go to the gym, go to the gym. Create something with your hands, embroidery, painting, cooking, anything that gives you a lot of pleasure. Now, it will release some kind of relaxing emotions within you, and they will give rise to good health and well-being. So that is how you can show a lot of love to your body. Once you show love to your body, everybody else will show respect and love towards you, because everything begins with you. You start the ripples and the universe bombards you with everything beautiful. All your manifestations come true all because you are happy in this moment. You are creating in this now. Take care of your body. If your body is sick, you will not feel good. You cannot sit and think beautiful thoughts because you are uncomfortable. So first you must be comfortable in your body, and this will only be a reality when you start loving your body. Wear beautiful, colorful dresses. Have bath every day. Just go for a complete makeover. That is how you can show love to your body, and do more of what you love to do. Reading, cooking, gardening, anything that connects you with nature. And take care of your nutrition and thoughts are also nutrition. Take care of the inputs in terms of news, in terms of what you are reading, in terms of what you are taking in through conversations with people. It is better to sit in silence, connect with yourself, your inner being, and feel peaceful. Send out love to everyone and send out love to yourself also, because everything begins with you. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message for you is I love you, and I wish a lot of abundance, peace, good health, joy in your life, success in your life. May all your dreams come true. Stay happy, stay safe. See you again later. Thank you. Namaste.